Hello to everyone, my name is Doli Fatsea and I'm a dermatologist. I'm inviting you to attend the course of aesthetic dermatology as you will learn and treat a lot of conditions like acne, rosacea, melasma that bothers a lot of your patients. We will follow all the steps from diagnosis until the follow-up to attend and to understand all of the different treatments you have to follow if you want to achieve a nice result in a rejuvenated skin. Also, we will have a lot of different clinical cases. You will learn to understand which patient you should treat with laser, which patient you will treat with injectables, with biomimetic peptides, a lot of new techniques that has to be combined so you will have a great result for your patients. And don't forget that the skin is the canvas of all the treatments you will go on to do afterwards, injectables or all the other facelifts. So this is the #1 course to attend if you want to have a nice and young full result.